Hello my dear kids, good morning to all. Welcome to our online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. How are you children? Hope everyone is fine and safe. Right children? Yes, very good. In our last class, which letter words did we learn? ഏതൊക്കെ letter words ആണ് നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചത്? We learned words beginning with letter X. Right children? Which all are the words? X-ray and the next word is Xmas. Right? Very good. After X, what is the next letter words we should learn? ഏതാണ്? It is Y words. Right children? Yes. So today we are going to learn two words beginning with letter Y. Okay? Now look here. Can you see? What is this? Yak. What is this children? Yak. Y for yak. What is the spelling? Y-A-K. Yak. So the first word we are going to learn is yak. Now look at the board children. What is the spelling of yak? Y, capital letter Y, A, K. Yak. What is the spelling? Repeat children. Y, A, K. Yak. Are you writing? Very good. Repeat. What is the spelling? Y, A, K. Yak. What is the next word we are going to learn today? Do you know? See here. What is this? Yo-yo. You all play with this. Right children? നിങ്ങൾ കളിക്കാറില്ലേ yo-yo use ചെയ്തിട്ട്? Yes. So the next word we are going to learn is yo-yo. Okay? Now what is the spelling of yo-yo? Do you know? Look at the board. The next word is yo-yo. What is the spelling? Y, capital letter Y, O, yo, and small dash, and again yo, yo-yo. Right? Repeat children. What is the spelling of yo-yo? Y, O, yo, one small dash, and again yo, Y, O, yo, yo-yo. So what all the words we learned today? First word is yak and the second word is yo-yo. What is the spelling of yak? Y-A-K. Yak. And what is the spelling of yo-yo? Y-O. Yo, yo, Y-O. Okay. Now what we should do? You should take your 4-line notebook. Look here children. What we should do? First, you should write date on the top and you should draw a line in the center and you should write yak. What is the spelling of yak? Y-A-K. Yak. This side also you should write yak. Y-A-K. Yak. Okay. Sorry. And you should turn next page and write yo-yo. What is the spelling of yo-yo? Y-O. Yo, yo. Y-O. Yo-yo. You should draw a line in the center. And here also you should write yo-yo. What is the spelling? Y-O. Yo, yo. Y-O. Okay children? After writing, what you should do? You should take photo and send it to me. Okay? Very good. So children, the next topic, do you know what it is? You have already learned it in our activity class. അല്ലേ ലാസ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ് ലാസ്റ്റ് വീക്കിനകത്ത് ആക്ടിവിറ്റി ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നിങ്ങൾ ഓൾറെഡി പഠിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്. ഏതാണ്? ഡേയ്സ് ഓഫ് ദ വീക്ക്. ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ? പഠിച്ചില്ലേ എല്ലാവരും ആക്ടിവിറ്റി? ആൻഡ് ഓൾസോ മന്ത്സ് ഓഫ് ദ ഇയർ. ഓക്കെ ചിൽഡ്രൻ? So we will revise once more. Okay, now take your literacy skill book, page number 138. Okay, now look here. Can you see? What is this? Days of the week. ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഡേയ്സ് ഓഫ് ദ വീക്ക് പഠിപ്പിച്ചു തന്നത്? ഓർമ്മയുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? So we will revise once more. Before that, എന്താണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്? See, this is the way to name each day. എന്താണ് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്? This is the way to name each day. എല്ലാവരും പറയൂ ഒരുമിച്ച്. This is the way to name each day. Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday for you. Then comes Thursday and Friday too. ഒന്നും കൂടിയും പറയാം. Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday for you. Then comes Thursday and Friday too. And also Saturday and Sunday. Oh, what fun is each fine day. Okay. ഓരോ ഡേയ്സിനും അതിൻ്റേതായ പ്രത്യേകതയുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? Now, shall we read again? This is the way to name each day. Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday for you. Then comes Thursday and Friday too. And also Saturday and Sunday. Oh, what fun is each fun day. Okay? Learn this and you should say daily എന്താ ചെയ്യണ്ടേ? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. അപ്പോൾ എത്ര ഡേയ്സ് ഉണ്ട് ഒരു വീക്കിനകത്ത്? Can you say? There are 7 days in a week. Right children? Repeat children. There are 7 days in a week. Okay? Yes. Now turn next page. There is one activity. See, on which day do you go to school? Circle the names. എന്താ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കണേ? നിങ്ങൾ സ്കൂളിലേക്ക് ഏതൊക്കെ ഡേയ്സാണ് പോകുന്നത് ആ ഡേയ്സ് സർക്കിൾ ചെയ്യണം. So children, can you tell me which all are the days you go to school? ഏതൊക്കെ ഡേയ്സാ? ഫസ്റ്റ് ഡേ എന്താണ്? മൺഡേ അല്ലേ? നമ്മൾ സ്കൂളിലേക്ക് വരുന്ന ഫസ്റ്റ് ഡേ എന്താണ്? മൺഡേ യു കം ടു സ്കൂൾ. സോ യു ഷുഡ് സർക്കിൾ മൺഡേ. പിന്നെന്താണ്? Tuesday, right? Even Tuesday you all come to school. So you should circle Tuesday. Next, Wednesday. So you should circle Wednesday. Next it is Thursday. So you should circle Thursday. And also, sorry, and also Friday. Right children? So you should circle Friday. Saturday and Sunday is a holiday for you. Right children? So you need not circle it. So which all are the days you come to school? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. 5 days you come to school and 2 days you all have holiday. Right children? Yes. Now fill in the blanks with the correct letters. എന്താ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കണേ? ഇവിടെ ഒരു ബ്ലാങ്ക് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് കണ്ടോ? So they are telling to fill it. നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം എങ്ങനെ ഫില്ല് ചെയ്യണ്ടേന്ന്. Now look at the board children. Sorry. What is the first one? എന്താണ് fill in the blanks ൽ ഫസ്റ്റ്? M തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? First one is, see, they have written M and they are given one dash. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളിവിടെ എന്താ എഴുതണ്ടേ? We should write Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. What is the spelling of Monday children? M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Okay. What is the next? Monday കഴിഞ്ഞ എന്താണ്? Tuesday. Right? അപ്പോൾ എന്താ എഴുതണ്ടേ നമുക്ക്? T. After T, U. Right? Next, E-S. Tuesday. ഡേയുടെ സ്പെല്ലിംഗ് എന്താണ്? D-A-Y. Tuesday. Right children? Yes. After Tuesday, Wednesday. Right? So W. So what we should write? Wednesday. So W-E-D, Wedness, N-E-S, Wednesday. Day spelling endana? D-A-Y, Wednesday. Are you writing? Repeat children, what is the spelling of Wednesday? W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. After Wednesday, it is Thursday. Very good. So Thursday, Thursday. Repeat children, what is the spelling? Thursday, Thursday. After Thursday, after Thursday, it is Friday, right? F-R-I, Friday, D-A-Y, Friday. What is the spelling? F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Right children? After Friday, it is Saturday, right? So S dash T. So what we should write? Saturday. Sat. S-A-T. Satter. T. Satter. T-U-R. Ter. Day. D-A-Y. Saturday. 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 Okay. Next it is Sunday. Right? So children, what is the spelling of Sunday? S, sun. What is the spelling of sun? You all know. S-U-N. Sun. Right? Sunday. D-A-Y. Sunday. Are you able to write? I'll read you. Now shall we repeat? Repeat children. What is it? Monday. What is the spelling of Monday? M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Next is Tuesday. What is the spelling? T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. After Tuesday it is Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Next it is Thursday. What is the spelling of Thursday? T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. And next it is Friday. What is the spelling children? F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. And next it is Saturday. What is the spelling? S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. And next it is Sunday. What is the spelling? S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. So how many days are there? Etra days undu? 7 days, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the 7 days of the വീക്ക്. ഇതെന്താണ്? ഡേയ്സ് ഓഫ് ദ വീക്ക് ആണല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ എത്ര ഡേയ്സ് ഉണ്ട്? ദർ ആർ 7 days, റൈറ്റ്? സോ ചിൽഡ്രൻ, ആഫ്റ്റർ ഡേയ്സ് ഓഫ് ദ മന്ത്, സോറി, ഡേയ്സ് ഓഫ് ദ വീക്ക് എന്താണ് നമ്മൾ പറയാൻ പോകുന്നത് നെക്സ്റ്റ്? മന്ത്സ് ഓഫ് ദ ഇയർ. ഓക്കെ, now before that let me erase this. Okay, next it is months of the year, right children? Now take your literacy skill book, page number 140, 140. Now look here children, undo, what is it? Months of the year. You have already learned, alle? Rajlakshmi miss നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആക്ടിവിറ്റി ക്ലാസ്സിനകത്ത് പറഞ്ഞു തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു months of the year, right? And each month specialty, alle? Right. Now see here, months of the year. Shall we start? What is this children? Let us name the 12 months in a year. എത്ര months ഉണ്ടെന്നാ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്? 12 months in a year. Okay? Sing them together so that we can all hear. നിങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഉറക്കെ പറയാം, so that എല്ലാവർക്കും കേൾക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്. Okay? Shall we say? What is it? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Repeat children. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay children? Excuse me. Now look here. എന്താണ്? How many months are there in a year? എന്താ ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്? എത്ര months ഉണ്ട്? 1 yearൽ എത്ര months ഉണ്ട്? 12 months in a year. Okay, how many months are there in a year? There are 12 months. So what you should do? ഇവിടെ എന്താ ചെയ്യണ്ടേ? You should write 12. 1, 2, 12. Okay, have you written? Very good. Now look here children. In your worksheet book, see, one activity is there. Write the missing letters in the name of the month. കണ്ടോ? Name of the months തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതിനകത്ത് missing ആണ്. Few letters are missing. Shall we fill? Yes. Now, what is the first month? ഏതാണ് first month? It is January, right? So, J A now what we should write? J A N U A R Y, January. Repeat children. J A N U A R Y, January. Have you written? Very good. After January, what is the next month? It is February, right? F dash B what we should write? Feb, F E B, February. R U A R Y, February. Okay, after February, what is the next month? It is March. M A how we should write? March. Mar R Ch. Ch എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ എന്താ എഴുതണ്ടേ? C H. March. Right? What's the spelling? M-A-R-C-H, March. After March, it is April. So, it is April, R-I-L, April. What is the spelling, children? April, A-P-R-I-L, April. After April, it is May, right? M-Y. May. What is the spelling of May? M-A-Y. May. Right? And next it is June. What is the spelling of June? J-U. J-U-N-E, June. Okay, children. So, what all we have written? January, February, March, April, May, June. Have you written? Yes. After June, what is the next month? It is July, right? So, J dash Y. What will come? July. Yes. L-Y. July. Right? After July, it is August. What is the spelling, children? August. G-U-S-T. August. What is the spelling? A-U-G-U-S-T. August. After August, it is September. Very good. What is the spelling of September? Sep, S-E-P, Sep, Tem. Tem എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ T-E-M, September, B-E-R, September, September. Okay? What is it? What is the spelling? S-E-P, Sep. Tem, T-E-M, Ber, B-E-R, September. Okay? After September, it is October, right? So, it is O-C dash what we should write, children? Octo. To എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ എന്താ എഴുതണ്ടേ? T-O, right? October. അപ്പോൾ എന്താ ഇവിടെ വരിക? B, right? October, October. After October, it is November, right? No. M. So, what we should write? November. Now, V-E-M, November, B-E-R, Ber, November. Okay. After November, it is, what is the last month? It is December, right? So, December. What is the spelling, children? D-E. What will come? C. December. B-E-R. December. So, which all are there? July, August, September, October, November, December. Right? Shall we repeat all the months of the year? What is the first month? It is January, right? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay? You should learn to say all the months of the year. Okay? And also the days of the week. Okay, children? So, how many days are there in a week? Etra days undu? 7 days, right? Very good. And how many months are there? Etra months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year, right, children? Even the worksheet is there. See, worksheet number 33. We already literacy skill book nathu cheyidittunde. Same thing, you should practice to write it. Okay? See, endha thandirikkanathu? Write the missing letters. Endana? M O N D A Y. Monday. Next it is Tuesday. T U E S D A Y. Tuesday. Next it is Wednesday. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. Next it is Thursday. T H U R S D A Y. Thursday. Next it is Friday. F R I D A Y. Friday. Saturday. S A T U R D A Y. Saturday. And next it is Sunday. What is the spelling? S U N D A Y. Sunday. Okay, children? Yes, you should know to say the parayan ellarum padichirikkanam. Okay? In the Saturday live class, I will ask. So, you should say. Okay? Will you say it? Very good. That's all for today. See you in next class. Till then, bye-bye.